All right, ding, 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 ding. We are open. All right, so I am in Peng because of the record orders that they got. I'm also in Venue and ECDA. Both of them are flying right now. So we are up. I'm going to go put my stop loss at 5% on Venue because it's got a pretty big spread. And for ECDA, I'm not going to talk about this too much because it does have a low float. It's only 5 million, but this one's really interesting. This one's really, really interesting because they do auto detailing and auto parts, and they do it for custom and like high-end vehicles. And they announced they broke into the Porsche 911 market. And because everybody's made so much money in the market on this bull run, a lot of people buy dumb shit with their money. And one of those things is going out and buying a Porsche 911. So put those together, I'm playing it for that reason. So that's my reasoning there. We ride at 11.50 this morning. We've got SoFi back almost to 29. JZXN, like I said, at a fun little play today. I did buy some more NNE at 51.50. It's actually breaking right below that that level right now. Lots of offerings this morning that reached out and touched a lot of people. A lot of people got reached out and touched on offerings this morning. Joby, NNE, Iren, a bunch of others as well. All right, so I'm going to put my ECDA stop loss at 7%. And then tighten it up later if it goes up, just because there's going to be some morning volatility. All right, so let's take a look at the other stuff that we got going on right now. I bought some Peng thanks to the signal. Not a signal service, buddy. QS flying again. We talked about QS this morning as well. I really want to take CRM calls once this settles because they did something that I think is really, really interesting. And we talked about it this morning. I'll break it down here in a minute on the stream. But very, very, very interesting. A little bit of news for them that I think could potentially help them out. All right, Fly is moving this morning. I think we'll be able to get out of these for a pretty decent game. We're up 142% on these. I would like to hold them a little bit longer, but I really don't know what's going to happen here. Are you holding those Verizon calls or you get rid of them? Oh, still holding them. And they're kicking my ass. I got out of some yesterday on the pop. Hoping Amazon announces the biggest sales day of their entire history, even though I think it's gonna be a bad day for them just because of the consumer borrowing numbers that we got out here. All right, IMRX we're looking pretty good on. ASTS popping. Yeah, I'm not touching CRM until we get consolidation. Venue is moving up. ECDA is moving up as well. And Peng. Did we get stopped out of Peng? I just felt like this was an oversell this morning. Nope, still up 6% on it, though. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 3% trailing stop loss on these shares. We felt like it was an oversell on their earnings, and not so much oversell because in a normal market, it would have made sense that they sold off so much. But in the everybody buys every dip market, especially in something that works with semiconductors, it was just like, okay, we'll see this. CRM still falling, not touching it yet, and then waiting to see where we get on these other pushes here. IMRX, the one that we're following all the weird insider buying, is doing pretty nice right now. We're up about 8% this morning, but at the same time, it's a big spread, so I don't want to jump in on that. Acknowledge my gratefulness for Buru. There's no greatness here. There's no or thankfulness, man. Here's the thing. You know, if I say yeah, you're welcome for every play that I talk about that goes up, then and I acknowledge that, then I also have to take shame if it goes down. I'd rather just sit on the sidelines. Okay, you're up 20% on IMRX. Let's keep going. All right, chill, bro. Thanks for 40% on AHR. Oh shit, I forgot about AHR. Where are we at on that? Start legging out of those. Last time I sold those, I sold them for like a 40% gain. They went 1,000% in a month. But, you know, you remember that. You hold too long this time. Other one that we want to look at is V-Wave. V-Wave looks really interesting as well. This is a small play off of the Porsche 911 thing. I want to look at V-Wave as well. They got the, or V-Wav. They got the, what was the news we had this morning on them? They had the, what was it? Shit, let me go back to my notes here. They partnered with PVML to build a secure AI-powered defense intelligence systems and potentially courting the interest of defense companies. So I don't know how this is going to play out, but I would definitely keep an eye on them today. Again, 113 million, not really a massive company. It is a mid cap right now, and this is off of a catalyst, not off the actual fundamentals. But I would keep a close eye on this one. Think about how much nuclear news. Just yesterday, we had news that the new Japanese prime minister wants to quote put nuclear at the center of energy policy. We had, what was the other one? Oh yeah, Italy's Council of Ministers approving a bill delegating responsibility for the reintroduction of nuclear energy. That was yesterday. Today, we got the whole thing from Trump talking about the energy grid in America needs to be revamped. Does that mean that they're going to take stakes in trying to take stakes in energy companies, or does it mean that we might push into energy or nuclear? I don't know. And then Slovakia, fucking Slovakia, and then we've got Slovakia actually approving a nuclear reactor as well. So I think that's pretty crazy. All right, ECDA still moving up again. I'm playing this off the Porsche 911 thing. Peng still going. I mean, I'm in UUUU. We're up like 280% on UUU. That's uranium because obviously you need uranium for that. The new one that I'm in, because we've been in NNE since it was like $12 and Oklo since 20. I'm in MIR now because they are getting into the SMR, you know, I don't want to call it a race, but the SMR, you know, sector. And with an $800 million purchase, they're probably, and they did the offering to pay for it already. So hopefully that means that they're done with that. But yeah, there's a lot going on there, man. There's a lot going on there. IVVD going. I haven't played that yet. I mean, I haven't played it since we played it for that day trade. All right, we're up pretty decently this morning. We've got I'm gonna get in trouble. I said this yesterday, so I bought a bunch. I said, isn't PLRZ due for another pop soon? And so I bought it yesterday. Drop the CRM date and price. I haven't even entered it yet. I'm waiting for CRM to get some kind of consolidation first. All right, ECDA. This is off the Porsche on 11 News. I mean, those 280 calls for December are kind of attractive, but I don't want to over leverage in this market right now. How close you already think of a market crash? Well, what's your definition of a market crash? Like 20% in a day or some shit? 20% in a month? I mean, fuck. I hope we hit one soon. I got more shit I want to buy down on. Let me look at these CRMs. The CRM, my reasoning for taking CRM calls is probably in stocky terms, one of the dumbest reasons why, honestly. I'm going to be real with you. And I do a lot of dumb shit. I'm just waiting for some consolidation here. I'm not rushing in on this yet. Who made this? We keep adding. Somebody added this. Somebody added this for the infinite money glitch, and it turns out, we talked about it this morning, there's a new one. There's actually a new one this morning with XAI now. And then somebody made this. Because we're all waiting for NVIDIA to do something with their WeRide position. All right, PLRZ kind of moving there. ECDA still moving up. It was a good play there. I just entered. I'm going to leg in right here. This is where I'm going to leg in on these calls. I took the December 280 calls. They're 540 right now. I don't want to jump in right now because this has a potential to go back down, but I have probably a wrong guess on what's happening and what's going to happen with them, but I'm willing to check it out.